We have another listing for sale. It's 4 hectares. So, nindot kayo ni siya guys kay almost flat terrain. Rolling lagamay. Upat ni ka hektarya. 4 hectares at 50 pesos per square meter. Located in Barangay Canuling, Daguhoy, Bohol. So, it's part of Daguhoy pa rin guys. And nearer to Danau, Bohol, Philippines. So, pabor ni siya sa Daguhoy, sa Danau, Bohol, din Sagbayan. So, 2 hours drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. More or less 30 minutes. It's more than 30 minutes from Tubigon, Bohol Seaport. So, ana na siya guys. Nindot kaya atong property for sale. So, it's Mountain Barangay in Daguhoy, Bohol gyapon guys. Nya, nigpasulod lang nato dire guys approximately mga 100 meters from the concrete road. Kuan gyud bati gyud ang karsada kanang ang road right of way, pero don't worry raman kay pwede raman siya ma-develop. Ato ra nabutang nga graba po Honday. Kasabot ani nindot kayo ang atong property for sale. Dako kay gawan. Nindot kay siya oh. See? For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So, very nice yun guys. As in, sober. Okay. Thank you and God bless to all. Bye.